morning, guys. Good morning. I'm super excited because guess what? Welcome to today's vlog. Welcome to this week's vlog. If you're new, Louisa like I can know me, please do not forget to like, comment, and if you like this video, if you like the content that I'm gonna be giving you this week, please subscribe, share this video with your friends, take me on Instagram and screenshot there. You know the vibes. So before this video is over, guys, there'll be a dedicated video for Miss Lynn hair. So if you're gonna like what I'm going to show you and you haven't watched that video already, just go check it out. It's a sponsored video. This vlog is not sponsored. Okay, so guys, this is what they came. It's a headband wig, by the way, and let's see the wig. It's a headband wig, by the way, guys. So, oh my god. This is so cute. This is the wig, guys. Oh my goodness. It is 24-inch. I remember we agreed on 24. Yeah, it's 24-inch headband wig and natural color, straight 180% density. Sorry about that, guys. That is so ghetto. Like, that is so ghetto, but I'm sorry. Like, I'm so annoyed. I'm a bit annoyed, but let me calm down. Yeah, guys, this is a natural color. Guys, this wig is so beautiful. I worked with Miss Lynn hair before, guys, and their wigs, they sell amazing wigs. Oh my goodness, this is the quality, guys. This is so beautiful. This wig is so beautiful. I cannot wait to try it on. This is how it looks inside. Hey, so I'm just gonna, guys, it's just that I'm wearing another wig right now, so I cannot try it on. But please go watch that video, because definitely that video will be up before this one, before this vlog. This wig is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so lovely. Okay, guys, so yeah, Miss Lynn hair sent me this wig and I love it. So what am I gonna be doing today? I'm not gonna be doing much. I'm even thinking when I come back, I'm going somewhere, but I'm not gonna be vlogging. Probably when I come back, I'll come back late. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So that we can start vlog bila, so that I can show you what I will be doing. But today I don't want to be vlogging. Alright, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, guys, guess what? Who cries on his way? He just called me right now. So Angi Peggy. Like, I'm not going to be cooking. Hey! No, I'm not going to be doing that, really. So he is on his way, and we're probably going to go out for ice cream and then order pizza, because I was craving pizza. I wanted to cook though, but I was a bit lazy, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just want to change. I wish this was clean. I was gonna wear it with like leggings and, you know, just, but it's not a problem. I'm gonna change now, and hopefully he's gonna wanna say hi to the vlog. Hopefully, yeah, because yeah. Anyway, so we're going out for ice cream, and then what else? Nothing. The house is a mess. Like, my place is literally a mess, so I need to quickly clean up and then wait for the guy to come, because child, like, I am going to eat pizza.
A few moments later.
Guys, Chris is here.
It's pizza time. Thanks for giving pizza.
Okay, since now it's saying it's pizza time. Okay, guys, Chris is here and he doesn't want me to go buy ice cream, because why don't you want me to go buy ice cream?
We're busy transferring your call.
I think we're not a man.
Don't forget to confirm your preferred restaurant without...
I said I go to get
Because guys, Kinali flew. So yeah, we can't go buy ice cream. It's not a
Yes.
problem.
Yebo masisi njani? Ngiyaphila. Sacela ukwenza order. Delivery. Ngicela i-triple decker something meaty. Something meaty. Ne Coke.
Too late.
Yeah, 2 liter, my sister. Yes.
Uzilelo sisiloya manje ngicela ukukhuluma.
Good to hear.
Mangicela ukuhleka akasakuhlekisi. Umzi?
Yeah, I heard it, babe. Are you jealous?
No, I'm not jealous. But the fact that I thoma ke tsaya le nna. Cause we got busy ni jela ni
No,
jela.
no more.
Angnamona. Mara.
You think that lady might hit on me while I'm making my order, man?
Who knows? Never trusted you, right?
Hi guys, welcome back to Mimi's channel.
What is this now? Like, who gave you this shirt again?
This is other white guy.
No wonder, I can see. I don't like that shirt.
Serious?
No, I hate it.
I like I love a straight.
I hate it.
But when say serious?
Who's taking you serious?
Whatever lion has been around for many years.
Oh, shut.
Didn't I mean?
No, nothing. Guys, this is Cry. For those of you who do not know who's Cry.
I'm your man.
Ooh! This is my man, guys. This is my man, alright?
Yeah.
My persona.
Mm-hmm.
My persona.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna wait for the pizza and spend some quality
Quality time.
with the capital letter Q.
Yeah.
Quality time. So we'll catch up with you guys later.
In a jiffy.
Yeah, I'll show you the order when it gets here.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so the pizza's here. It looks really good. Yabonakala ukuthi khani bayenza maye, so that's it. It was also fast. The delivery was very quick. I'm impressed with Debonair's this month. Okay, guys, Cry now gonna be indulging, and I will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna catch a movie, and that's about it. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Shop.
The next morning.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon.
Okay, guys, so right now this is what I'm doing. I'm baking for my nephew. He said he's craving my cookies, and he asked me to bake for him. He's from Pretoria, so he's coming this side to visit for like, I don't know, for 2 days. So he's go his mom's place. And yeah, so he requested that I bake for him. So child, anti-duties, guys, I look so awful. So yeah, this is the final look of the cookies. They look so good. They taste really good. I haven't tasted yet, but the smell says it all. Yeah, guys, so if you are looking for a recipe, stay tuned. Why am I saying stay tuned? stay tuned because Vlogmas is coming. December will be posting videos almost every day, and I'll be giving you guys recipes. They are, this is, look guys, look at that, the best recipe ever. Like, I'm not joking. The final look. Oh gosh, they smell divine. They look absolutely gorgeous. Imagine food looking gorgeous, but yeah, I'm done. Hey guys, so I'm at my sister's. I came here this morning, and guys, I was drinking turmeric. Hello. I cannot deal with you guys. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hello. No.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I realized that I did not close the vlog. I'm at my sister's right now, and I did my makeup really horribly. Like, I hate everything about this makeup. The lashes are falling off, like everything is just falling off. I'm at my sister's, but I'm still in wet bank. I'm gonna go to, Sadie's crying. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to Pretoria to go see my mom, so tomorrow morning, and I'm so excited. She misses me as much as I miss her. So yeah guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. By the way guys, I went to the mall and I got my watch back. Let me fix it. I got my watch back, so yes honey. I hate everything about this look. Like, I hate everything. But anyway.